Hello,
Hello.
my name is ASAD and today I'm going to conduct your IELTS speaking test.
Okay.
So shall we start?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Where did you go for your last holiday?
Well, for my last holidays, I went to Kashmir, and Kashmir is quite beautiful. I stayed there for 7 days, and it was actually a family tour. I was with my family and kids, and we had a lot of fun.
Do you like holidays? Why?
Well, I love holidays because actually holidays give you a break from your monotonous life. Actually, you're going on and you're doing something over and over again. But when you get holidays, so they just cut off your daily routine and they give you some excitement. And I think holidays are really good to energize yourself. So that is why I always love holidays.
Which public holiday do you like the best?
Well, I always like any public holiday that comes with Sunday weekend. You know what happens? Then we've got actually more days. Like for example, we've got Independence Day, we've got festivals here, we've got holidays on that. So whenever there is a holiday with weekend, I like that holiday very much because then there are 3 to 4 days and I always plan some tour. I visit some areas during these holidays. So my favorite holidays are the holidays that come along any weekend.
What do you do on holidays?
On holidays, well, it depends. I've got 7 days, then I try to go to a nearby place, which is like at the distance of 400-500 kilometers. But if I have got a month of holidays, then most definitely I try to visit a foreign country because 30 days are good enough to visit any foreign country. And if I've got only one weekend, then I go to my in-laws.
Okay, this was the end of your speaking test. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Time.